At RSS Natural Delights, we do coconut drops with a difference. So what we do, we take the old-time Jamaican traditional treat and turn it into a new look and taste. A healthier brand where we infuse fruits and nuts to our products. So as you can see here, we have sorrel jam with cayenne pepper, and we also have the original sorrel jam, coconut drops with cranberry, almonds, sunflower seeds, sesame seed, blueberry, coffee, and we do gizzardo with raisin, cranberry, almond, and blueberry also. Why I choose to go in this direction, it was a personal reason, and where life hit me away, where I did have to take care of my two girls. And I didn't know how to do coconut drops. But the first time when I started to do coconut drops, it turned out watery because I didn't grow up with my grandmother. I didn't know anybody that made coconut drops. So when life hit me, I go to my bed and I got a dream. And as a spiritual person, I was talking to Father God, and that was it. I get to make coconut drops. A church sister, her name is Miss Brown. I saw her downtown one day, and I said to her that, Miss Brown, can you help me to make coconut drops? And she said, yes, she can help me. She said it's just a one-time thing that, sure, I can help you to make it. So the first day she come and make it for me, and I see where it's going, I sell it off the first day. So I was thinking big, I always think big, I always positive thinking. They said speak life over your life, and that was it. And I was looking to go far, not from a home basic, but to go both locally and international. And then when I sell off the first, I said, you know that this will hit the market. No, I said, Miss Brown, I sell off the thing, you know. You can help me to make it again. And she said, all right, cut up the coconut. I didn't know how to cut coconut at that time. The first time I cut coconut, it stick me in my hand. So I tried to cut it up, and when I cut it up and everything, she said, all right, put on everything and so come back. But I never know that Miss Brown was tricking me. So as a quick learner and a visual person, I catch what she was doing, and then when she come back, I make it off. When she come back and say, Miss Brown, I make it. And she said, you see it? A survival may I teach you for, and this is how RSS Natural Delights started.